Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to top up the screen wash on my 2015 Lexus NX, but the same should apply to other Toyota and Lexus models. So in our case, we have diluted this screen wash down to a winter mix of 50-50, but whatever you buy, concentrate or dilute, always follow the instructions on the back of the bottle, and it will tell you, depending on your weather conditions, how much of this you need to put in versus how much water you need to put in. I like to put them into kind of like drink bottles, so if the screen wash reservoir in the car is already full or doesn't need the full amount of this, you can save it for next time. In order to top up the screen wash on your Lexus or your Toyota, you're going to need to open the bonnet or the hood. Now, to open the bonnet or hood on this right-hand drive Lexus, open the driver's door and you'll see the lever here in the driver's footwell. Lift it upwards, and when you lift the bonnet or the hood, there's going to be a lever in the middle. Lift that upwards and then lift the whole bonnet or hood, which is supported by two shock absorbers or dampers, which will keep it open for you. So when looking at your engine bay, the screen wash reservoir is over here on the left hand side as you're facing the car, indicated by a picture of a windscreen or windshield with the fluid on it, not to be mistaken with your engine coolant expansion bottle or your hybrid coolant expansion bottle. This supports the front windscreen, the rear window, and in this case the headlight washers are all in one. So lift it up out of the way, get your bottle of screen wash. With your screen wash reservoir fully topped up, close the cap down, make sure it's secure, and close your bonnet. So we really hope you enjoyed that video and you found it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.